Welcome to ACT Notes Tutorials. My name is Professor Bert, and I am going to give you a quick tutorial on middle tier acquisition, or what I call MTA. What is middle tier acquisition? Middle tier acquisition is a rapid acquisition interim approach that focuses on delivering capability in a period of 2 to 5 years with rapid prototypes and rapid fielding with proven technology. The approach is part of the adaptive acquisition framework. The definition of middle tier of acquisition is a pathway used to rapidly develop fieldable prototypes within an acquisition program to demonstrate new capabilities and/or rapidly field production quantities of systems with proven technologies that require minimal development. What is the purpose of middle tier acquisition? The purpose of the middle tier acquisition pathway is to fill a gap in the defense acquisition system for those capabilities that have a level of maturity to allow them to be rapidly prototyped within 5 years. The middle-tier acquisition pathway may be used to accelerate capability maturation before transitioning to another acquisition pathway or may be used to minimally develop a capability before rapidly fielding. What are the middle-tier acquisition approaches? The approach consists of utilizing 2 acquisition pathways. 1 rapid prototyping and 2 rapid fielding. I will examine each of these approaches next. The first approach is rapid prototyping. Rapid prototyping uses innovative technology to rapidly develop fieldable prototypes to demonstrate new capabilities, meet emerging military needs. The objectives are: field a prototype that can be demonstrated in an operational environment, and provide for residual operational capability within 5 years of an approved requirement. The second approach is rapid fielding. Rapid fielding uses proven technologies to field production quantities of new or upgraded systems with minimal development required. The objectives are: begin production within 6 months, and complete fielding within 5 years of an approved requirement. Thank you for watching this tutorial on middle tier acquisition. For more information, to include instructions and memos, please visit the webpage. Congratulations on finishing this tutorial and thanks for visiting ACT Notes.